Hey guys, this is Jaman Chetan. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna check out the gift na pinadala sa atin ng Baseus. So this is the Baseus Digital Life Pack. So everyone is using Baseus. Yes, I'm actually one of them kasi mura yung products nila, and they're using the hashtag official Baseus PH and hashtag Baseus Digital Life Pack and Baseus PH. So yeah, they've just opened a new store at SM North, EDSA Annex. So, do check it out. So, ano bang inatay natin? I-unbox na natin to. So, I have my tablet in here para ma-check natin yung SRP ng mga product ni Baseus. So, yan. So, medyo exciting kasi hindi ko pa alam. Oh, wow! Ang dami laman. Okay, so I have a lot of devices in here. Yan. So, we'll check it out. Teka lang. Give me a second. Yan. So, unahin muna natin to. So, I have actually here the prices and the products na kasama dito sa Digital Life Pack ni Baseus. Yan. Guys, if you're sharing this, use the hashtag BaseusPH and Baseus Digital Life Pack. So, first product is this one. So, this is the flash cable Type-C of Baseus. So, this one is really interesting, especially if you are a Huawei smartphone user, because this cable is actually capable of charging your Huawei Mate 20 Pro or the Huawei Mate 20 with the 40 watts charger, because it is capable of 40 watts flash charge. It has a high density thickened body cable. It has a parang braided cables, and again, just like what I've said sa mga previous videos ko, I love braided cables because they're really tough, they're really strong, and hindi basta-basta napupunit yung mga to. And then they got here two striking colors, and yes, again, it's USB-C, so compatible siya with your Huawei smartphone. So this one is recommended for Huawei smartphones kasi nga may 40 watts flash charge. How much, you might be asking, the the Baseus so you might be asking how much is the Baseus flash cable Type-C. So this one is very affordable at 290 pesos. Imagine a cable that is capable of Huawei Supercharge, and yet sobrang mura niya at 290 pesos. This is a must-have cable for Huawei smartphone users. So our next product is an earphone. So this is the Baseus NCOC wire earphone C16. So this one comes with a Type-C plug, which is great for smartphones na gumagamit pa rin ng Type-C cable. Well, gumagamit na ng Type-C port kasi nga hindi na supported ng 3.5mm headphone jack. And then there's the premium quality and hi-fi sound. So this one is a must-have for people who wants an extra smartphone. Ayaw gamitin yung mga included earphones sa mga smartphones sila, or probably their smartphone doesn't come with an earphones. Well, this is the one for you. We got here the controls, plus, minus, play button. So meron din siya kasamang microphone, and of course Type-C din yung interface niya. So ibig sabihin magagamit yun sa mga smartphone nyo, and also probably sa ibang laptops na supported yung Type-C. So this one, again, just like the other Baseus products, this one is really affordable at 390 pesos from 890. Wow, laki pala ng binaba ng mga presyo nila. And sobrang mura nito, the NCOC wired earphones C16. Actually, gagamitin ko to after the video. Ita-try out ko siya sa mga products ko na may Type-C. So our next product is the Baseus Mini-Ja 10,000 mAh power bank. So this one is actually portable, very portable, just like any other power banks, but ito kasya to sa pockets nyo, and sobrang liit niya and sobrang portable niya, and 10,000 mAh yung laman niya, so you know that you can charge your smartphone probably more than 2 times depending do sa smartphone nyo. Syempre kung 10,000 mAh yung smartphone nyo, baka kulang pa to. Anyway, we're talking about 10,000 mAh power bank. It is really compact, it is airline approved, so you can bring it anywhere. Pwede nyo siyang, dalhin sa mga flights nyo, kasi minsan you need probably, I'm not sure with the flights, but there are limits pagdating sa power banks. Alam ko pinaka maano lang talaga is 20,000, but probably there are 15,000 or 10,000 mAh. So this one is safe, and since 10,000 to, mas tatagal to sa inyo. And then of course we got here a dual USB port and also a USB-C port. So hindi kayo magkakameron ng problema pagdating sa cables, even if you're using the modern smartphones, yung mga modern flagship smartphones. And of course, if you're using, like mga flagship S10, OnePlus, or any other smartphones na may using na may Type-C, I'm pretty sure gagana dito. Yung cable sila dito, and then saksak nyo lang. Then we got an output of 5 volts, 2.1 amperes. Ito yung mga favorite kong charger. So this is the Baseus Speed Dual Quick Charge, and it lets you charge your smartphone quickly as long as it supports Quick Charge 3.0, because this one comes with Quick Charge 3.0. So ito, it's very affordable at 490 pesos. Ito ding mini ja, it's 490 pesos. Very affordable, and dito meron ka ng dual port, may Quick Charge 3.0. Hindi kayo problema kasi you can charge your smartphone up to 30 watts. We got 30 watts of power in here. Wow, we got 30 watts of power. You can charge 2 smartphones simultaneously with Quick Charge 3.0, and mabilis yung pag-charge nyo kasi nga it's QC 3.0. It's not the fastest one, or hindi kasi bilis nitong itong Baseus cable na flash charge just like Huawei, but this one, kasi hindi lahat ng smartphones may Huawei flash charge. But ito, if you got the Quick Charge 3.0, ito yung power bank para sa inyo. It's portable, it's very light, and it's very cheap at 490 pesos. Actually, kanina pa ako na-shook dun sa mga presyo nito. The Baseus Speed Dual Quick Charge 3.0, Quick Charge 30 watts, Quick Charge 30 watts. It's very affordable, 490. Wow. Sobrang mura na ito, promise. So our next product is the Baseus Mini Ja, 20,000 mAh, so power bank, and it's bigger. We got 20,000, that's times 2 sa power bank na kanina na check out natin, and it's priced at 690 pesos. So this one is special because it supports USB PD. So if your device supports USB PD, I believe the Nintendo Switch supports USB PD. You can charge your devices or any devices na may USB PD, probably laptops, but I'm not sure if the 15 watts is enough for laptops, but at least the USB PD is the technology that is being used by some laptops to charge them gamit yung power bank. So this one is 15 watts. We got, well, it's not as mini as the Mini Ja na in-unbox na check out natin kanina, but it comes with USB PD. So this one comes with 2 USB-A ports, the normal, yung malaking cable. So one of them is 5 volts, 1 ampere. The other one is 5 volts, 2.4 ampere. And then the Type-C, the one with USB PD comes with 5 volts, 3 amperes na output, which means ito yung ginagamit ng USB PD para makapag-charge ng laptop, switch, or any other devices with USB PD. Yes, it's not as heavy, it's not as light as the Mini Ja, but still you got the technologies na kailangan nyo. USB PD, 20,000 mAh na capacity, and 15 watts na charging thanks to USB PD. And this one is actually pretty good. The price is pretty good at 690 pesos. Wala akong irereklamo sa lahat. Ito. Maganda lahat yung presyo ni Baseus. And again, I'm actually a user ng Baseus products. I highly recommend them kasi nga mura sila. So our last product is the Baseus Yiven cable. So this one is made for the iPhones and other iOS devices that uses lightning connector. So this one comes with an output of 2 amperes, just fine for the iPhone. And again, it's very affordable. It's priced at 290 pesos. A good lightning cable for 290 pesos. It's not that bad. It's tough. I do like the color. It's red. And it's parang clotted or braided ulit yung kanyang cable. I really like those kinds of cable kasi nga tough and durable yung mga ganito. So if you're using an iOS smartphone or probably an iPad, you can even use this one. But I'm using the iPad Pro, so I'm using Type-C. But yeah, this one is affordable for a lightning cable. So there we go, guys. You've seen the Baseus products, the digital lifestyle pack. If you are using any products, meron si Baseus na accessories para sa inyo. Again, I highly recommend them. Not only that, they're affordable, the quality is actually really good. So I guess that's it for our digital lifestyle pack unboxing from Baseus. So if you want to check out Baseus, marami na po tayong stores. Do check out their Facebook page. And yes, we're gonna raffle off one product dito from Baseus. So yes guys, magpaparaffle ako ng Baseus Mini Ja 10,000 mAh power bank. Really portable, kasya sa bulsa nyo, pwede siyang dalhin kahit saan kasi nga approved siya para sa flights. Hindi kayo problema kahit na mayroon kayong trip sa kung saan maisla sa Pilipinas or sa ibang bansa. So, paano sumali sa paraffle namin? So all you need to do is to subscribe to Jam Online. That's step 1. Step 2, like and follow the Baseus page on Facebook. Yung link nandun sa baba. And of course, follow Baseus at Laz Mall. So, bibigay ko rin yung link sa baba. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Nandun na lahat. The mechanics, the links. Hindi kayo problema. Click, click, click. And then may chance na kayo manalo neto. And lastly, don't forget to like and share this vlog and use the hashtag Baseus Digital Life Pack and hashtag BaseusPH para sa post nyo. Guys, napakadali lang sumali. Nandun na yung mechanics sa description. Nandun na sa lahat, sa baba, the links, the instructions. And may chance na kayo kagad manalo neto. The Baseus Mini Jet 10,000 mAh Powerbank. So guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, well, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. See you guys again sa susunod na video. And don't forget na sumali sa pa-promo namin.